Good morning, and how are we doing? I have actually had a couple of weeks where I haven't actually picked the camera up. Just had a little bit of time where I just sort of didn't pick a camera up, didn't do any editing, didn't really do anything, to be fair. So, as of recording this, I don't know when it's going to go out, because I'm still trying to get the previous videos out. And a few things have changed. We have gone and bought a few bits and bobs and done a few bits. First things first, I've now got a light above my ramp, because before it was sort of like this, and sort of that's the only real light I had, and I had to use my head torch. But now I've got the extra little bit of light just to sort of help lighten my area up, so that's pretty good. That is the first thing. The second thing, in fact, we'll probably wait and show you with Mr. John, but it's a quick little sneak peek. The cow is coming along very nicely. Mr. Namo has gone and bought this. You can hear that in the background. I have lit the fire. The boys aren't quite here yet, and I thought I'll come in a bit early, light the fire. It needs to be nice and warm when they get in. But those bought themselves a teardrop. We had to travel to London, I believe, Essex, somewhere out direction. We actually went there the day before Christmas Eve, I think. He's wanted one for a little while to tow behind his black van. You can chuck everything inside of here, and then the back of his van can just be filled up with his kids, his dog, and everyone could be a bit more comfy. So this is a little project that needs to be project. That wheel bearing has completely and utterly collapsed. Needs new tyres, both sides. And need to sort something out with this whole frame situation. It has been previously welded and everything's rusted, and expect to see that. Mr. Namo's probably going to paint it black with white wheels so it matches his black van. And a job that Mr. Namo has been putting off for a while. He's fit brand new, you ain't going to see it, brand new radiator, brand new intercooler. Done a few little niggly bits that he's been putting off for a while. And now that's all done. We'll show this a little bit later on. We did actually have it working last night, and it's loud. I was stood on the other side of the workshop, over by there, and I could feel this thing thumping. This thing's a bit of an animal. Like I said, I will get John to show you the cow. That's his little baby. He should really show this off. And if you probably see in the background, mine is actually in here as well at the minute. And there's a dash on the floor. Now that is my dash out of that van. I did it out, and for very, very good reason. I now have a full airbag dash. There we go, that's a bit more better. Don't know, that looks so much better. And while we were doing that, fit myself some central locking. Look at that. And lecky windows. That has been something I've wanted for such a long time. Perfect opportunity while taking the dash out to put this one in, to actually run all the loom and stuff for the lecky windows. Did actually forget that lecky windows and central locking's on the same loom. So I was like, oh, there's a little update. I'm sorry I haven't really picked the camera up and really shown as much. I should have picked the camera up yesterday, which is when I started this and when John started doing stuff to that. But I forgot to charge my camera. But today is the day. Do need to get that central locking to work, because at the moment it doesn't. So try and trace the wire and figure out why that's not working. And then put the door card back on. I've actually cut both of the switches in. So now all in. I'm going to put this down now. I'll pick this back up when the boys get here. Show you the cow and whatnot. Some more logs in there. Make sure it's nice and warm for when the boys get here. Alright, put this down. I'll pick this up when the boys get in. We've had our coffee and a chat. So, see you in a mo. Well, there we go. As you've seen from the wee little time lapse, which is just by there, this is now pretty much completely back together again. Do need to put my airbag back in, which is, I don't actually know. But that's enough of my bavaying for a bit. Let's go and have a little look at this. Did have it on earlier. Did find out it shakes the roof and makes bits of the roof fall down. Look at all this. I will stick we did have a little clip of this, I will stick it in. I was sat in the middle and there was just everything was vibrating in there. Stupid loud. Even to do that, we'll come back to him in a minute. This is what I wanted to show you earlier, and I wanted to wait for the main man, Mr. Mullet. How are we, sir?
Yeah, find out in a minute. Bad chest, but we did.
Yeah, Mr. Yanni's been a busy egg. Look at that.
That's better than attempt number 1 or 2.
Well done, Yanni. In case you guys also put Kingspan underneath all this lot and boarded it out. And as you can see, we haven't got the roof on it yet, but look at this. This looks mental. That is rust off the roof thanks to Dai and his base fan, which we'll show you later. And we have a door. Oh, but just look at that. That's up against the back wall. That's mega. Well done, Yanni. You've done a good job.
Well done, team.
This is really good. And he's, yeah, as you just seen, that's what he's making is the step.
Catching again.
The cow is becoming more. You ain't gonna be able to hear this properly because it's that boom boom. Hello, Mr. Namo.
Oh, hello, people. Not too bad, thank you.
So how are you getting on with this monster?
Fun now. After I had to strip everything 20 times.
Yeah.
Put it back together.
Yeah, nearly watched Dai cry yesterday. He had to take out a bunch of studs and move a load of wires and blah blah blah. I don't know what he's doing, but he's fine tuning. I do have to thank the boys a million times over. John actually found me the dash, and it's been sat in the waiting room waiting for a while. And well, without both of them two, this wouldn't be a thing. So thank you very much to those pair. I am going to I'll put the kettle on for number 1, and then I'm going to start playing with central locking and try and figure out why it's not central or locking. Right, I'll do that. I might see if I can put a little camera up over here somewhere and have a little oversee of Mr. Yanni and the cows, so hopefully you get to see that. Well, I haven't picked this thing up half as much as I would have liked to. Hopefully whatever time lapse is done something, because I think I set it up just by there and I haven't touched it since. But lots has happened. Mr. Yanni, he's made an actual step which you can actually stand on. And he made a little bit of trim to go round just so it sort of blocks it off. So it's 2 layers, and then it's got the wooden gasket essentially, but that's done. These all get fiberglass and what have you. Yeah, windows, doors, steps. Well done, Mr. Yanni. I have finished doing this and it is all completely back together again. Lucky windows, lucky window. Do need to put the airbag on. There we go. So that better be straight, or else that's going to annoy me. And I did have an absolute pain in the ass with the central locking. Couldn't get it to work, and then one side would work and the other, and then trying to fault find why it didn't have 12 volt, and it was a pain in the ass. But extremely happy with that. Mr. Dynamo has donated a third for year. So that will be getting done at some point. Now completely done with this. It will be getting fresh lick of paint. Not so the weather improves, obviously. Should I ask?
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
What?
You what?
She's getting in shape, boy.
I thought she was done.
I gotta fit another crossover
Where?
next to that one.
Ah.
And connect 1, 2, 3, 6 cables. Then disconnect radio, put my central console, cover this mess with nice plastic. Next step will be door cut, fit the speakers,
More speakers?
and she's
Not
done.
like you haven't got enough. I wish the camera would actually show how loud this thing was.
Well,
Loud. Very loud. Actually, like, shakes the garage.
Is evident.
We did go outside and you can hear the actual roof vibrating, and the whole office sounds like it's quite upset. Not the happiest thing ever, like. And then, yeah, we've got a big silver problem that needs...
Yeah, that's. Remember when I said no more projects?
Yeah.
And that pier. But that's the last one. I know you win. Yeah.
Last project, he says. I'll save this bit of footage for when another one turns up, shall we? So yeah, I think I should probably put this thing down now. I do need to start my van because I've been messing around with locks and windows and stuff so much my battery's gone flat.